I ordered the Oculus Quest 2 3 days ago.
3.
I pre-ordered it, started shipping yesterday, and it came in 1 day.
1 day.
So today, we shall be unboxing it. Alright, here we go.
The proud gamer moment.
Ready?
The brand new Oculus Quest 2.
Brand new, 1 day old. Okay, it's time. No, get over here. Look at this, look at me.
Why?
This is what I ordered it for.
Yeah, you can have all that stuff and you can have the bubble wrap.
Oh, it's stuck. Look at the box, it's so tiny.
Oh, it is tiny.
Oh my.
Oh, it's
there it is in all its glory.
Oculus Quest 2.
So it's from Facebook, right here.
Yeah, because Facebook bought Oculus for whatever reason.
And,
yeah.
Alright, here we go. See this?
Can I do that this time? Because you did
Oh,
it
yeah,
in the last video.
Woo! Alright. Get your stinky hands off of it. Okay, let me just...
I don't know what this means, but the box says that it's energy verified.
It's so tiny compared to the PSVR. Bruh, it's so tiny.
So there's a guide on the side of the box. This is what you do for step 1. What you do for step 2. You turn on the headset. And then step 3.
Okay, stop talking about stats.
Wire it onto the back of your skull.
Oh yeah, that's fun.
Yeah.
That one's the funnest. I haven't held an Oculus Quest controllers yet, so
I wanted
they
it.
fit snug. They fit snug in my fingers. People are saying
I was holding
they're not
it.
too snug, but
Oh no, hold
for
it.
me they are. Okay, anyway.
I was holding it.
Alright, anyways, let's hop into the multiverse. Controllers, how you pair them is by pulling this little strap right here, this little flippy. You pull it down. That wasn't good. It's fine.
It's not like an almost $1,000 system or anything, and you just drop the controller for it.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Find a seat with space to move your arms before continuing. Okay. Okay, continue?
Yep.
Alright, well, because I'm not putting in this giant password for 2x4G.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, you need to do it. Excuse me, sir. You need to do it. Alright, password. Stop being a bugger. Okay, I had so much problems with
游戏保持着前作般的高自由度。
watching a video right now. Okay, we gotta do an update and charge it while it's doing that, so.
What's it doing?
Update. Alright, so we'll be back in about a quarter of an hour.
A quarter of an hour.
We're good. It's so cool looking, I can select the gun. Where's the pointer finger? Boom! Yeah! Woo! Whoa!
It looks so weird in the real world because... Alright, Kaden. Now that you've been playing the VR all day and all night, and it's now 9 in the morning, what would you rate it out of 10?
I'd rate it an 8 out of 10. With this facial thing right here.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Yeah.
It's an 8 out of 10. And with this little dude right here, 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
But if you got the Elite strap and the VR cover for this buddy, which I'm getting, 10 out of 10. So goodbye.
What is your favorite VR item? Let us know down in the comments below.
What are you on, Logan? What are you reading?
I'm just talking to the camera. I'm talking to everybody that's watching this beautiful thing.